lovely.
Yeah, so that's why there's a pile at the bottom at the moment.
Yeah.
Oh. Because they've got to get somebody to come and
Okay,
do
try.
it. We're not allowed
Okay,
to.
try.
No.
No.
I had, what did these list in the autumn?
Okay.
No, we had. I remember one at one house. And we had to get someone out to remove that. Then we had something that was in a robin's box that they made into a nest. And that had to be sprayed several times and we had to leave it for a year to make sure no one comes out. Alright, sweetheart?
No.
We're going to have a yogurt now.
And then I had a wasp's nest in my new house, but in the attic, and they still don't remove it, they just kill it and wait for it.
Yeah, we had one outside, when I was a kid, we had one outside my bedroom window, I remember that. So it's the middle of the summer and I had to keep the windows shut until they came and got rid of them.
Yeah, it wasn't a nice pleasant, I have to say. I had all good intentions of it, it was just when we first moved in, I was like, kind of open up the attic, see where I could put stuff. And it's a worse design attic with a massive tank that isn't needed anymore, but you can't get in anything, so they haven't boarded anything. And then the only bit you could use was a massive wasp nest. And I was like, right, everyone, you've all got to sort your wardrobes out. And they're like, well, I was like, you've got to go in your wardrobe now with the suitcases and everything else, which isn't.
I think my partner's planning on moving up into the loft. He's put shelves up there, he's putting flooring down.
See, that's my
and
ideal.
he's got a ladder as well.
That's my ideal
Ladder.
Yeah.
It's not happening in this house. I'm hoping to move this summer and buy my own, but I'm still waiting for him to confirm if it's like a part by part rent one.
Yeah.
But I'm also in the process of fostering at the same time. I'm just like,
okay.
It's all going to happen for me at the same time, just to give me a challenge.
I can't find spoon.
You can't find a spoon? Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Random teaspoon.
Is there one here? Your teaspoon?
Oh, yeah.
Is it that one you want?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Very nice. A blue spoon as well.
Spoon as
You've
well.
got blue knives and forks as well, haven't you?
Spoon as well.
I think when I move, I'm going to have to up my colour game. Little spoons is what we seem to have run out in our house.
They used to, when I lived at home, they used to end up on the bonfire patch because Dad would take his cup of tea out there. Yeah. I don't know what happens to in my house.
I don't know what they. I have a feeling my partner sent, when we first moved in together, I have a feeling he sent the kids to school with a spoon. And then I stopped buying yogurts and he's like, the kids need yogurts. I was like, yeah, there's these things called frubes. They do the top and don't use my spoons.
Yeah, much better idea for packed lunches, isn't it?
He goes, but they're frozen. I was like, yeah, and they'll defrost by lunchtime. I said, then they're nice and cold and their lunchbox is still cold. That's a good idea.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what's wrong?
No.
Yeah?
I want to do it's what's Dad's button. That's what Dad's button.
That is broken. It's, well, let's have a look. Oh, that's alright, it'll still work.
No, right.
It'll still work, Liz.
It's good crack.
It's cracked, yeah, but it'll still work.
No, it's not working. I don't get me up on it.
I don't know, we can find out.
I don't ask gas
I
man.
don't know where to get them from, so.
I don't ask gas man.
You can ask the gas man, yeah.
Gas man?
He's outside at the moment,
Okay.
I think.
You can say down.
Oh, is he in the cupboard?
I think he's still trying to find out.
No, I think they said down now. No, say door. You think say door.
Yeah, shut the door, yeah.
Don't do that.
I don't know, he might still be in the cupboard. I might be dreaming.
Yeah.
He is.
No?
He is still in the
He's become
cupboard.
Harry Potter, he's still under the cupboard. Under the stairs.
No, say something, gas man.
Let him do his job, Liz, because otherwise we won't have the heating, will we?
Oh,
We need to let him finish his job.
right here.
He's in the cupboard.
Gas man?
He's
That's
still there, he
mine.
hasn't disappeared.
No? Can you, when can cancel, right? You can, no, okay.
I think he's still trying to find the leak to see whether he can turn it back on for you. Yeah, we'll ask him when he comes out to have a look at it.
Okay.
If not, I'll take a picture of it and I'll
Okay,
get an
yeah.
order for a new one.
That's all.
Just
Yeah, that'll be an us job rather than...
No, it doesn't work.
yeah,
It's broken.
yeah.
It's broken.
Yeah, I'm going to take a picture of it and I'm going to raise a job for it to be done.
No,
Okay, so Emily will get you a new one, yeah?
yeah,
Yeah, that's a me job.
Listen to what said. They said about the shadow.
Make sure you shut the door.
Yeah.
He shut the door, hasn't he? Yeah, well done. You locking him out? He's got to come back in, hasn't he? You haven't locked it, that's good then. He's coming back today, he might do that. Let's brightened up a little bit.
Yeah, it's my daughter this morning. She was like, "Are we still going to be able to go out tomorrow down the park?" And I'm like, "Look, it carries on raining." I was like, "I'll text you and I'll let you know if I'm going to pick you up from school whether you can walk home." We'll see how wet it is and see how much. The poor dog this morning was just like, "So you brought me out, got me soaking wet. I'm not getting a walk because you literally walked me a slightly path down the road and then made me run back to the car because it's that wet. And now you're leaving me."
Evil, ain't it?
And it was a very, like, the most disgusting look I think I've had in a very long time.
My dog will go out for a walk in the rain, but he won't go in the garden. He doesn't like going in the garden.
Oh, see, he'll go in the garden, and I think it's just to annoy me, because then he'll come in and just make a mess of it, and I thought sure he does it on purpose. Especially yesterday, he was a nightmare, because I went out yesterday morning to pick something up, come back to drop something off, and then I didn't say hello to him, went back out, came back, and then again I was home for an hour with him, and then went out again for about an hour and a half, and it's that, you stayed with me the rest of the week. Why now have you chosen to leave me? I'm going to do everything in my power to be the most annoying thing ever. No, it doesn't make me stay.
Is that good?
Listen.
Tea?
Tea.
Gonna make some tea then? You can kettle in your teapot. Yeah.
There's no water.
You want me to put some water in it? I can do that for you. I did like that.
And then, I shall never mention very cold and it's not good. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Where you off?
There we go, that's all sent through. Don't quite know how they then arrange it. I still haven't quite grasped that. Sometimes someone emails me, sometimes things just happen. Right? So we'll find out.
Well, it'll get done, I'm sure.
I'm so used to someone emailing me back going, yeah, it'll be done on such and such day, that I'm like sat here now going,
So who was it you worked for?
I work for a company called Housing Solutions.
Oh,
They were based in Maidenhead but covered lots of all the way up to Milton Keynes and Highwood and stuff.
I didn't lose?
I'm done on the phone, yeah. It's just me mate to do with gas, that's all.
Kind of right.
I've raised that one, Liz.
Yeah.
I've just sent that through. Emily's a job for it.
Yeah, Emily's... Lucy, listen. Listen, Lucy. Emily's going to get you a new one of those, okay?
I've just raised it with our team, with head office, and they will order a new one.
Yeah, it's fine. It is leaking on the boiler, but it's within tolerance. You're allowed a 4 millibar drop. You've got 1.5 on the boiler, so I can turn it all back on.
Right.
And then it is fine. I just recommend it for a new boiler.
Okay, brilliant.
Boiler?
See what they do.
Yeah, so get a nice new boiler.
Yeah, not promising. I can't promise anything.
In one boiler.
It'll be down to what they decide.
But it's back on now, yeah?
Yeah, I'm just about to turn it back on. I'll service it all now and everything. So
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Lovely job.
That's good, you'll have some heating.
Thank you.
I won't freeze.
Enjoy.
Actually, it's quite warm if you put
Go on there.
these heaters on and remember to shut the door.
Yeah, we've got like a Dyson Airblade. And when we finally fixed it last Monday. Yeah, so once he's turned it all back on and serviced it, me and him will go. and leave you in peace.
Look, the boiler and new range.
Yeah, we'll go, once he's done it, I'll go, and I'll leave you in peace as well.
New gas boiler and new range transfer.
He's going to see if he can get you a new gas boiler, yeah.
So that will get referred back to our compliance team.
And the new gas heater.
Yeah, Emily's going to get you a new thing to go, a new...
And what they'll probably do, if they do, they will replace it, because we
Is it just a TRV, is it?
yeah.
One of those,
Yeah. We will replace it, but we might wait till it's warmer to replace it, so that you
Yeah.
don't get cold in between.
New light on. Blue light on.
The blue light's on, yeah. Got blue light
Yeah.
in the boiler, that's cool.
It's new.
Yeah.
Is it alright to have a look at it? I might have one in the van.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing, yeah. We can.
Yeah.
Come on then.
Let's go have a look, see if you can replace it for you now, even better.
No. Yeah?
It's just a head.
That's good. That.
Yeah, I'll go and have a look in a minute.
That's amazing.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Please have a look again. Please have a look again. That's fine again.
Yeah,
Can I have a look at his van?
He's going to make sure first that it's all up and working.
I'm working, yeah.
Lovely.
Okay, yeah. Well, yeah.
But yeah, it'll probably get replaced in the summer when it's warmer, so that you're not as lost without it.
Yeah, quite.
Just because you never know with February weather
Not
and
till about,
March, you could end up with.
not till about July, really.
Well, to be honest, all year round, isn't it?
Yeah.
I remember typically thinking, oh, I won't have my birthday's the end of December, so I purposely had my birthday party the beginning of February, so that everyone would be paid, snow should have gone, it was the snowiest weekend ever.
I'm January 22 from last month. Again, my birthday tea party
Birthday tea party?
in the house.
In your house? I missed that.
I'm saying something here. Like all my stuff.
With all your stuff, yeah. I wasn't
Nice.
here, was I? We'll have to, next year I'll come to your birthday party.
Yeah.
I was working at Saxon's then, I can't have been on shift or I've been over.
Is that Saxon's Way?
Yeah.
I've got that property as well.
Oh,
I
have
haven't
you?
been there yet.
I've worked there for 8 years.
Oh, wow.
Just image change, basically.
Yeah, I know Fusion. I was in Milan
Yeah,
for 7 years, and it's. I enjoyed it, but I kind of sorted everything out, so it was just kind of a mundane of. And then the odd blip that you'd have to go and deal with. But generally, it was just like, even though no 2 days were the same in terms of what you did, it was still. The week ended up being the same as the sun.
Is it alright to go upstairs to the cylinder?
Yes.
Lucy, you're just going to go and check the cylinder, okay? You want to go? Yeah.
I don't get my.
We'll come up as well.
No, when we don't go smashing
Yeah, it
balls.
will still be in its asbestos risk
Yeah.
assessment that's attached to our fire risk system. That should say that it hasn't got to the fire risk, so.
It's usually, yeah, you can access it. Obviously, it's in the back of the cupboard. It's a locked cupboard anyway.
Yeah.
It tends to be on the safer side of it. Yeah.